Hi traders, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I hope all of you are doing good. Today in this video we will analyze Bank Nifty on multiple time frames, and we will also find some stocks which we can carry it for a couple of weeks. So let's get started, and as you can see, this is my channel and there are many videos which you can watch, get yourself acquainted with the markets. And last week I have made a video on how to identify support and resistance, which you can watch. And you can always look at the kind of different topics I have covered so far in this. And there is also a basics of candlesticks and basics of option series which is also available in this channel. And also don't forget to listen to this abundance affirmations and wealth affirmations for traders. So there's some good stuff here which I have spent a couple of years making, so please go through it and I'm sure you will be able to learn something from that. Yes, so without wasting much of our time, let's go to the charts. So we are on a Bank Nifty chart, that's a 3-minute time frame, but let's start our analysis from a monthly time frame. So this is our monthly chart. As you can see, monthly chart has cleared the previous month's high. This September month has formed a new high. The new high is about 38377, and October has started on the first day. Let's see how this month goes. I am expecting this to be a little bearish month. Let's see how it goes off. But this is not completely. You cannot judge that on this time frame at the moment because it's just the starting of the month. Let's go to a weekly time frame and see what is the kind of trend we are seeing. So trend is up. As you can see, the 20 period moving average is rising, 200 period moving average is also rising. So the trend for now is positive, and definitely this was a resistance level which we have already cleared. And also you can notice this wicks which are forming at the bottom. There is a lot of buying coming at this level. Let's go to a daily time frame. Daily time frame also, market is taking good support at 20 period moving averages and moving higher. So here this was a zone. As you can see, these are all 50% candle. You should watch my base candle wala video so that you can understand this concept, or watch the support and resistance video so you will understand what I'm trying to say. And this 50% candles are very important. This forms a base section where there's a lot of buying and selling happens. So here you can see whenever the market comes into this zone, it can retrace back. So it came first attempt into this zone. Here it retraced back, second attempt it came, and then it came further down into this zone. Now again from this level there is a buying which happened and it closed in a green candle, little positive. So let's see it on a different time frame now. 4 hours time frame. The candle high is 37299. This is 37284. So the high of the previous candle is not broken yet, 284, which is a cause of concern, because if we have to go, a bullish signal comes only when this high is broken. So we have to wait for that. Let's see how it happens. But I am holding a bearish position now because I somehow see that market can remain sideways, or it can go a little lower till 36,837. So this is its key support level, moving average level. Okay, so you can see it's nicely moving up. And let's go to a 15-minute time frame and see the market has dipped to this level 36,800. From there buying has come. It has taken the high of this, but it has not moved higher on that particular day. But this is a very good candle. If you understand. Wait, what happened? Yeah. So this particular candle is called as a kamikaze candle, which is way away from 20 period moving average. And if the high of this candle is broken, So you can go long with your stop loss below this candle, and I'm seeing all signs that yes, it has respected this level, and there is a resistance at this level. So let's see how it goes. And the RSI is also at 49. So it looks mostly a sideways trend to me, and this can be the high range market. Let's see on a 3-minute time frame what it has actually done. Okay, so it has retraced from this level, went up to the zone of 20 and 200 period moving average, and from there it has fallen and taken support here. If Monday market opens up above this 37330, then we can expect it to go further higher from there if all global markets support. If we see that the market is pre-open is below this level, so if you let's mark our shapes. This, where's my so what I'm trying to tell you is that we will put up a level here. Okay, let's use a horizontal line. So this is our level. Then these are the two highs and lows of this particular day. Let's see where it opens. If it opens below this level, then this will become the resistance and the market can go down. If it opens up this level, then it can go positive from there. Simple. So we have to just watch for the open, how it opens up on that day. Right now I'm holding a position which I will show you what kind of position I'm holding. I'm having this position which is a bearish position, so I'm having a put butterfly. Okay, so it's already in profit, and we have come to a level where it is 3,200. But if the market stays here in this zone, or even if it opens up somewhere here 37,400 or 37,300, even then I'll be in good profits on Monday. So let's see how it happens. Our risk on this trade is about 10,000 rupees. Profit can go up to 26,000 if we hold it till expiry. If it expires anywhere here, we'll make the maximum profit. And what is the capital used? 1,11,000. So let's see how it goes. And I have looked out for some stocks. I will show you some good site where you can find some research. I think I have covered this in my past videos as well, but let me show it to you again. Okay. Yeah. So there is a site called Top Stock Research. This is a very good site, and you can find a lot of screeners available here. So what I'm trying to tell you is that basically go for this screener, price of crossing above SMA 20 weekly tick. So why this is important? See, you can I will show you an example here. What is the screener do? This screener will actually tell if the price is crossing the 20 period moving average, so that we can get alert at first instance and get into that trade. So I have got couple of them. Amara, Raja Battery, AU Small Finance, all these are there which are coming as part of the screener if you select futures and options. So let's see, I have added them to the trading view here. Let's see what are they looking like. So on a weekly time frame we have to check, because our screener was doing it for the weekly time frame. So Tata Steel, I don't think it is qualifying because it's not close to 20 period moving average, so let's pass that. Jindal Steel, yes, this is the candle I'm talking about. this candle, this high is taken by this candle, so definitely you can go long in this. And it is also about 200 period, price is also rising, 220 is also rising, and you get an entry point here, so you can definitely go long in this for a couple of months. Then coming to Amar Raja batteries, this one, yeah, so this is near to 20, but I don't think it is qualifying for that. Sometimes this screeners will also give you wrong information, but you have to cross check that and take only those trades which qualify all your requirements. And AU Bank, I think it is good candle at a 20 period moving average for going long. Our weekly super trend, I think, has already given an entry, but here this candle has taken the stop loss. So you can do a re-entry here because this high was taken out. Now it is at 1183. See, look at the volume of buying which happened at this level when it dropped. This particular volume, you can identify that a lot of institutions are waiting to buy at this level. Okay, so they bought at this level. Now the price is moving up. Which was the other one? Get the screener. Jindal Steel is good one. Tata Steel is not qualifying. L&T I don't see. I want to trade only those things which are pricing higher than 100 200 rupees, not like 89 40 rupees, because the movement doesn't come in those, because the volume will be very high. One lot size will be very high for that. So let's look at Hindustan Petroleum. Yes, Hindustan Petroleum. So this is a nice candle, and it is called as RBI, red bar ignored kind of a setup. On this high you can take an entry. It's already crossed that high, so definitely you can expect a pullback candle here and buy at 290 or 280 levels, or specifically 286 levels, and it can go really to a level of 480 in coming weeks or coming months. So you have to hold on till that time. Okay, so I think Hindustan Petrol and Jindal Steel are two good stocks which we have identified for this week, and they can really go up nicely. Okay, so that's it for this week, guys, and please do subscribe and watch more videos like this, and I'm sure you will learn a lot free of cost. And because this knowledge is not available anywhere for free, please do look out for it. Any session which you want to attend, the kind of topics which I'm covering here, they will easily cost you a bomb, and after that also you will feel that you are not able to make money. So because it takes time and you need to develop your skill, so you need to develop your skill, only then money will start flowing into you. So try to develop the skill by learning and educating yourself with this kind of videos what I am making. So thank you so much for watching and have a great weekend.